33 problem. Find the perimeter and area of the shaded region, the shaded region. Shown in the figure, the four corners are circle quadrants. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four corners are circle quadrants, and at the center there is a circle. Here there is a circle of diameter 2 centimeters. Take pi as 3.14. Now, solution given. This is a square of side 4 centimeters. Side of a square. How much they give? 4 centimeters. Find area. Area of a square. What is area of a square? Side into side. Or we can write as a square. That also correct one. Side into side. That is equal to a square. 4 into 4 centimeter square or square centimeters also correct one. 16 centimeter square. Are you able to follow? Now in this square we are having inside a small circle is there. Diameter of a inside circle. Diameter of a inside circle. How much they give? 2 centimeters they have given. Now find radius. Radius of inside circle. Inside circle. What is the formula? Diameter by 2. Diameter by 2. So 2 by 2. 2 goes into 1 time. So 1 centimeters. Now find area. Area of inside circle. Area of inside circle. What is the formula? Pi r square. That is equal to 22 by 7. Not 22 by 7. They told to take pi as 3.14. So 3.14 into 1 into 1 centimeter square. 1 how many times if you multiply 1 only? So 3.14 centimeter square. This is the area of inside circle we got. Now find 4 quarter circles. 4 circles of quadrants. 4 quarter circles is equal to 1 circle. That we will do. Four quarter circles. 4 quarter circles is equal to 1 circle. 1 circle. Radius of this circle. Radius of this circle. How much? Is equal to 1 centimeter. This also, because see the radius 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. This 4 quarter circles is equal to 1 circle, and the radius of this circle is 1 centimeters. Area of 4 quarter circles. 4 quarter circles is equal to same. 4 quarter circles is 1 circle will know pi r square. 3.14 into 1 into 1 centimeter square. That is equal to 3.14 centimeter square. Now we are going to find area of the shaded part. Area of a square minus area of a inside circle plus area of 4 quarter circles. So now we are going to find area of the shaded region. Shaded region is equal to area of a square. Area of a square minus area of inside circle. Inside circle plus area of 4 quarter circles. 4 quarter circles. So add area of a square, we got 16 minus of 3.14 plus 3.14. This is all area only. So centimeter square, that is equal to 16 minus 6.28 centimeter square, that is equal to, now we are going to, that is equal to, from 16 subtract 6.28, here 9, 10, 5 will be there, 2, 7, 15 minus 6 is 9. So how much you got means 9.72 centimeter square. What is this one? Area of a shaded region. Therefore, area of the shaded region is equal to 9.72 centimeter square. Now they are asking to find the perimeter of the shaded region. Perimeter means inside there is a circle, so find circumference of inside circle, and quarter circles are there, 4 means one circle. For that also find again circumference. Here the side is 4 centimeters, so 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter if you subtract, this will be 2 centimeters. So 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 2 centimeters, 2 2's 4. So we have to add all this. So first I am going to find first radius of inside circle. How much we got? Inside circle we got as 1 centimeter. Now circumference. Circumference of inside circle. Of inside circle. What is the formula? 2 pi r. That is equal to 2 into 3.14 into 1 centimeter. 2 ones are 2 only. Into 3.14 centimeters means 6.28 centimeters. This is circumference of inside. Next, radius of a quarter circle. Quarter circle. How much? 1 centimeter. Now, circumference. Circumference of 4 quarter circles. 4 quarter circles. 4 quarter circles is equal to 1 circle. Means here also same formula, 2 pi r. 2 into 3.14 into 1 centimeter. That is equal to 6.28 centimeters. Now, here side 2 centimeters are there. Remaining side of the square is equal to 2 centimeters. How? I showed here 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter if you remove, we will get 2 centimeters. Like this 4 sides. So, perimeter of remaining 4 sides of a square. 4 sides of a square is equal to 4 into 2 centimeters, that is equal to 8 centimeters. Now they are asking to find perimeter of the shaded shaded region. Shaded region. What we have to take? Circumference of inside circle. Circumference of inside circle plus inside circle we have to add plus circumference of four quarter circles plus remaining side of a square. Remaining sides of square. Now add carefully. 6.28 plus again 6.28 plus 8 centimeters. Add clearly. 6.28 8 centimeters. 16 1 5 here 12 8 20 20.56 centimeters. 20.56 centimeters. This is not centimeter square, only centimeters. Are you able to follow? So keep in mind, this is the way of finding the perimeter of the shaded region. How much we got? 20.56 centimeters. Add 2 circumferences and again 4 sides remaining part. 36th problem. In the given figure, ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeters. This AB is 14 centimeters, BC 14, CD 14, DA 14 centimeters, and A, B, C, D are the centers of circular arcs. Here we have drawn a quarter circles, corners. 4 quarter circles is equal to 1 circle, each of 7 centimeters, because 14 is the side, half how much means 7 centimeters. So 7 centimeters radius. Now they are asking to find the area of shaded region. They are asking this shaded region how much. So solution: given side of a square, what, how much? 14 centimeters. Area of a square, side into side, or you can write as A into A square, centimeter square, that is equal to 14 into 14 centimeter square. 14 14 196 centimeter square. Next, 4 quarter circles. This everyone knows. 4 quarter circles is equal to 1 circle. Now, radius of a circle is equal to 7 centimeters. They have given. Next, area of a circle. What is the formula? Area of a circle formula: pi r square. Pi means 22 by 7. They did not ask to take 3.14. So write 22 by 7 into r square. 7 into 7 centimeter square. Areas. 7 cancels one time. Now 22 sevens, 154 centimeter square. Now they are asking area of the shaded region. Shaded region is equal to area of a square minus area of one circle. Area of a circle. area of a circle. That is equal to area of a square. How much we got? 196 minus 154 centimeter square. Subtract. You'll get 42 centimeter square. What they asked to find? Find the area of the shaded region, they told. We got area of, therefore area of the shaded region is equal to 42 centimeter square. Write that word. 38th problem. In the adjoining figure, the inside perimeter of running track with the semicircular ends and straight parallel sides is 312 meters. The length of the straight portion of the track is 90 meters. If the track has a uniform width of 2 meters throughout, find its area. They have given inside perimeter of this running track. These parallel sides are 90 and this semicircle and this semicircle will be one circle that we have to find. But the complete perimeter they have given 312. So solution given, what they have given means perimeter of inside running track, inside running track with semicircular ends and straight parallel sides, straight parallel sides is equal to 312 meters they give. Length of parallel sides they have given, length of parallel sides, length of two parallel indicates both will come, meaning parallel sides is equal to 90 meters into 2. Parallel means same distance, same distance or equidistance between two lines are called parallel sides or parallel lines. So this is 180 meters. Now two semicircles is equal to one circle. This everyone knows. One circle. Now circumference of a circle. How to find? All of you see. Circumference of a circle. Total inside running track, how much they gave? Total inside running track minus parallel sides of the track, these are inside only, that is equal to 312 minus how much we got? 180. Subtract, how much you get, 312 minus 180. Subtract, here 2 will be there, 11 minus 8 is 3 and 2 minus 1 is 1. 132 meters. What is this one? Perimeter of this two semicircles is one circle. So this is perimeter means circumference. So circumference of what? Circumference of a circle. Two semicircles is equal to one circle. Now circumference of a circle, how much we got means 132 centimeters. Now circumference of inside circle Because it is inside, no, you have to mention compulsory, because inside one circle is there, outside also another circle is there. This is circular path, inside circle. Formula is equal to 2 pi small r, and we got before circumference of circle 132. Both you compare. 2 pi r is equal to 132. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 132. R is equal to 132 into 1 by 2 into 7 by 22. Reciprocals. Whatever coming from left to right, reciprocals. 2 table 66 times. 22 table 3 times. So R we got small r as 7 3s are 21 centimeters. Now radius of outer circular. Radius of outer semicircular ends, because 2 that side and this side, means capital R plus width plus capital R is equal to small r radius plus width of the track. Now we got radius how much? 21. For that add this 2 meters. 2 meters if you add, uniform path also 2 meters. 2 meters if you add, you will get capital R is equal to 21 plus 2 meters, that is equal to 23 meters. Capital R we got as 23 meters. Now find area of a circular track. Area of a circular track is equal to, formula you know, pi into capital R square minus small r square. Pi means 22 by 7 into capital R we got as 23 meters. So 23 whole square, keep here square bracket, minus small r is 21. 21 whole square, that is equal to 22 by 7 into 23. 23 is 529 minus 21 is 441. Subtract 529 minus 441. Here 8, 4, here 12. 12 minus 4 is 8 and 4 minus 4 is 0. So subtract. We got 22 by 7 into 88. Divide and multiply. How much you'll get means 276.57 meter square. Simplify, 7 cancel in 88 and multiply with 22. So that you'll get 276.57 meter square. Now they are asking to find area of the track. Area of the track. How to find area of the track means area of circular path plus area of two parallel sides. Two parallel sides of the track. Now we got area of the circular path, the circular shape we got 276.57 plus here length is 90, breadth is, so 2 into, because two tracks are there, not 2 into 90 into 2, L into B, because rectangle shape. If you join here, this is rectangle shape. rectangle shape. So two rectangles are there. So 276.57 plus here centimeter square, 2 into 180 centimeter square, 276.57 plus 360 centimeter square. Add 276.57 plus 360, add. If you add 7 here, 5, 6, 13, 1, 6. So how much you got area means 636.57 centimeter square. Did you understand? This is rectangular shape. This is rectangular shape. L into B. Length into width. 180. Like that, two parallel sides. Into 2 we did 360. This is already circular track or circular path. How much we got? Separately we did 276.57. Add, then you will get 636.57. Here meters they have given, no? Meters, change, not centimeters. Meter square. If you write anywhere centimeters, please correct that one. Everywhere meter square only. 39th problem. The diameter of a wheel is 1.26 meters. How far will it travel in 500 revolutions? Solution given. What they have given means diameter of a wheel, that is equal to 1.26 meters. Find circumference, because for formula sake, circumference of a wheel is equal to pi d. When diameter is given, pi d. When radius is given, 2 pi r. So 22 by 7 into 1.26. 7 table goes. 7 goes 0 point. Then it becomes 12. 7 ones are 7. And 5 is remaining. 7 eights are. Now multiply. 0.18 into 22. 36 and again 36. 693 after 2 digits. So 3.96 meters. This is circumference. Now number of revolutions made by the wheel. How much? 500. 500 rotations or revolutions. Now what is the formula? Write the formula clearly. Number of revolutions is equal to distance moved by the wheel, distance covered, far means that only, covered by the wheel by circumference of the wheel. Circumference of the wheel. Now number of revolutions is 500. 500 is equal to distance we don't know. We are going to find that how far means distance. And circumference we got as 3.96. Now multiply. Distance is equal to cross multiplication. Distance is equal to 500 into 3.96. Multiply. That is equal to 5 into 396. So 396 into 5, 33, 45, 48, 4, 15, 19. So how much you got? Means 1980 meters. How much far did it travel means 1980 meters. 42 problem. A wheel makes 1000 revolutions in covering a distance of 88 kilometers. Find the radius of the wheel. Solution given. What is given the problem is number of revolutions made by the wheel. How much? 1000 revolutions. Distance covered by the wheel is equal to 88 kilometers. We can change as 88,000 meters. Convert into meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. Write in the bracket. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 88 kilometers, 88,000 meters. Now, formula. Number of revolutions is equal to, made by the wheel, you write complete, is equal to distance covered by the wheel. Distance covered by the wheel by circumference of the wheel. By circumference of the wheel. Now, number of revolutions, how many? 1000. 1000 is equal to distance, how much? 88,000 by circumference of the wheel. This we don't know. We have to find this one also. Circumference of the wheel. Now do cross multiplication. Circumference of the wheel is equal to circumference of the wheel is equal to 88,000 by 1000. 3 zeros get cancelled. We got 88 meters. What is this one? Circumference of the wheel is 88. Circumference formula is 2 pi r is equal to 88. 2 into 22 by 7 into r is equal to 88. Now we want to find r. Find r. R is equal to 88 into 1 by 2 into 7 by 22. 2 goes 44 times. 22 goes 2 times. So R is equal to 2 sevens are 14. 14 meters. They told to find the radius of the wheel. Therefore, the radius of the wheel is equal to 14 meters. Write that one clearly. This is the way of finding radius.